Yo, what's the deal, YouTube, man? It's your boy Mar, back at it with another video. Man, if you see this video, you pretty much know what's going on already. The Camaro LT1 here. Now, I don't know if I did a video with this car before. I'm pretty sure I did, but I'm helping this guy with his build, basically. We got the lone tube headers installed. We got the E85 flex fuel kit. We haven't installed the flex fuel kit yet, but we're gonna go ahead and get that installed today. We're getting the car tuned today at New Era Performance. You feeling about? I can't wait for the horsepower again. I think I'm gonna be making like I'm gonna say 453. Yeah, the torque, I don't know. Yeah, I feel like he could run around about 450. Like I said, he does have the flex fuel kit in the trunk. We went with the speed engineering headers. What else you get done? You got a muffler delete. And the rotofab intake. And the rotofab intake. Let's go ahead and just pop the hood so everybody can see what the under the hood look like. We got some stuff coming later in the video too, so make sure y'all are staying tuned to the end of this video. Make sure you take a good look now, and after we're gonna go show you guys how the car looks. I don't know why my guy didn't wash his car before, but shit's pretty dirty. Not gonna lie, man, these LT1s don't look too bad. If it wasn't for the headlights, in my perspective, and the front grill. Yeah, and these front grill, the car wouldn't look too bad. But besides that, man, it's a good car. If you guys not too sure what the LT1s is, it's basically like a downgraded SS. Same engine, same transmission, all that good stuff. Just, I think it's like a different dash, different screen, a little different exterior. But besides that, man, the car still is a good car. I think these are supposed to be lighter than the SS's also. So with racing, hey, this might be the way to go, man. But we're finna see right now. Let's go ahead and get this hood popped. You guys see, like I said, man, he's going in with that rotofab intake.
Chris, my guy 13.
Oh yeah,
Chris,
make sure y'all go check out my guy Chris channel too. If you guys haven't checked out Chris, y'all should already know he traded in the Camaro for the GT500. We did drop some crazy content with that. I will leave that video at the top of the screen in case you guys want to check out that content. GT500 is going crazy, but enough talk with the GT500. Let's get right back into this. Besides the intake, like I said, stock manifold, we got to get that flex fuel kit installed today. Let me go ahead and let's open the trunk and show them what we got up in there. All right, man, you head to the trunk. We got our E85 gallon, the 5 gallon E85 Magic right here. I think this guy's gonna be pretty excited. It's his first race car that he had. Before he had the V6 Charger, man. So this is pretty much a big upgrade for him. Went ahead and got that little 6.2 badge already on the. Yeah, so when I be gapping niggas, they know where they getting gapped by. LT1. This a little cocky guy. You lucky the Mustang is not in commission right now, man. We would have to humble this little Camaro right here. Anyways, man, as you guys see, he has the stock headers in the back here. I guess he didn't end up using these header gaskets. Use the stock manifold gaskets. Yeah, he said I could use my stock. All right, so yeah, I guess he went with the stock manifold gaskets. Of course, he has the cats off, man. You know, if you want to run that full E85, you're gonna run your cats off. I know you're not supposed to be doing that in Cali, but you know, we big boy mods over here. But basically, man, we're finna go ahead, fill up some E85, get the trip started. I think it is like an hour and 14 minutes New Era Performance. If you guys haven't checked out New Era Performance, man, most definitely recommend New Era for any LS, LT motors, whatever you got, man, that's in the Chevy. He's gonna get that tune right for it. But let's go ahead and get this drive started. I'll catch you guys when we get there. Also forgot to mention, when my guy Jalen got his header done, I guess the headers is not connected to the exhaust right now. I know I told you guys he has a muffler delete, but right now it's just basically dumped right out the headers. So later on we're going to be going to get that fixed, get the exhaust situated so he can have some backflow. Lots of drone. I'm gonna see if I can get that drone inside this video, but let's go ahead and start the car, man. Show them how it sounds. Pretty loud. Shit's pretty loud right now. That's here in my ear. But like I said, man, we're finna get this drive started. Make sure you all are staying tuned to the video, man. If you haven't liked, comment, and subscribed to the channel yet, be sure to do that now. But let's get started. All right, like I was telling y'all earlier, man, with these LT1s, it does come with a little smaller screen. The screen not too small, man. If you are looking for like a budget Camaro and you still want the speed, you don't want to go with the V6 version, would 100% recommend looking into getting these LT1s. As you guys can see with the drone, that's what I'm talking about. This shit's loud. Like I was saying, as you can say, the screen is a little different from how the screens is in the SS. Pretty much the only difference differences that I could tell. I think also the LT1s don't come with the track mode, so it's just sport and yeah, we can show right now, just sport, tour, and snow mode. Yeah. But if you ask me, man, it's a pretty cool budget car. All right, man, made it to this good old E85 station. I know you guys haven't seen this gas station in a minute, man, since we haven't had the car up and running in a while. But hey, if you guys haven't watched the channel, man, the car is gonna be up and running real soon. I'm gonna have a video, another update video coming on that real soon. So once again, man, make sure to have that post notifications on so you guys will be updated with the build and what's gonna happen. Like I said, man, we are gonna be having a surprise. We might be bringing a new car, we might be fixing the car. Just can't tell you guys right now, but yeah, you know what's going on. We're gonna be on demon time. We gotta teach my little guy Jay how to use this gas pump though, because he ain't never been here, man. He don't know how to. Let's see if he could do it. Let's see if he can get it all situated. Yes, sir. Hey, look how you, little man. No, you must have been watching the channel. Go ahead and open that up real quick. Go ahead and start filling that up, big dog. It's crazy how much gas prices went up, man. E85 used to be $2.99 at the most. Now as you guys see, man, it's running at $3.69. 91 is at $3.97. That's fucking wild, bro. We're gonna fill this 5 gallons up. This should be enough to tune the car just on that flex fuel. We will have to get some more right after we get the tune though, because this 5 gallons is not gonna last us enough to get back home. How much gas you got in the car right now? Like 20 miles. 20 miles? Yeah. We might throw a little more gas in there just to get out there, but we don't want to have too much 91 in the car because they're gonna have to end up draining out the 91 to put it in the E85 and do the tune. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on everything and how this adventure goes. But next time I pick up the camera, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be up at New Era. So I guess I'm gonna catch you guys when we get there. Alright, so as you guys can see, man, we just made it up here to New Era Performance. You guys can see, man, we already got the badass vets up here. We got some Camaros, we got some SS's, everything you can name basically, man. I told y'all, man, New Era is the place to come. But we got the 85 here. We're finna start the tuning stage and everything. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted and updated with everything that's going on. But this fucking C6 right here is badass. God damn, sheesh. That shit's clean. Yes, sir. Man, this guy done stressed me out on the way here, man. We got a long story ahead of us, but I have to twist one up for this guy, man. So I'm gonna get right back to you guys as soon as I get this cracking on. Finally got the car on the rollers, man, as you guys can see. Next, we just wait for some dyno pulls and see how much this LT1 can put down. Might go deaf right here. Drums out. My shit's ringing. Shit's crazy. So I believe that was the first 91 pull. We just loaded the E85 in now, so I guess he's gonna get a couple more pulls on the 91, throw some E85 in there, get some pulls on there, and we should have the numbers and everything. But man, this shit is loud as fuck, bro. Like my ears is still ringing. Your ears ringing still?
LT1 for the win.
I feel like on the 91 tune, the car might put down probably about, I want to say about like 433. E85, I'm pushing around. Hopefully we can hit like 445, 442-ish. Somewhere in the 440s or 450s would be crazy, but I don't really think this is going to hit 450 with the mods it has. Alright, so as you guys can see, man, we just made it up here to RCB Exhaust. If you don't already watch the channel, man, if you're not subscribed to the channel, you already know, man. Best exhaust shop out here in LA. If you're in LA, make sure to come check out RTB, located here in Carson, California. But man, look at this Hellcat. We gotta come take a look at this Hellcat every time we come up here, man. It's going crazy with the wide body kit, the big carbon fiber, man. You already know what's going on when we come up here. Sheesh, man, low-key making me want a Hellcat. You know how I snack this little thing up, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. Got the car on the rack right now. Gonna get the process started. I'm gonna let you guys know how the car sounds and everything once we get the car off the rack. But it's time to start the video, so let's get it. Got the tuned out in. They said the car was running like 4% off, and he's also had a misfire. So we got that situated with the, I think we went with the MSD spark plugs. What was it? The spark? Yeah, we went with the MSD spark plugs. So let me show you guys this real quick. Help my guy get this drag tire, man. Sheesh, you guys see we got the Forgestar D5 Beadlocks. These Beadlocks actually go crazy on these cars, man. I know a lot of people say that these Beadlocks aren't really worth it for NA cars, but man, it's not all about that. Sometimes people like going for the looks. I do plan on going with some Beadlocks, man, because Beadlocks do look good on these cars. I'm not gonna lie to you. Ever since we got the exhaust situation fixed, the car is running a lot better. We got a couple more things planned out for this LT1. If you guys want to see some more LT1 content, man, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below also what other videos you guys want to see. Haven't seen too many of you guys on the channel lately, man, so we got to get the car back and running. I know you guys missed the 5.0 content. The 5.0 should be back up running real soon, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated with that video and everything. That's pretty much it for this video. Finna go give you guys some pulls, try to give you guys some flybys so you guys can see how this LT1 is, man. It's actually a good car once you get into modding. Like I said earlier, it did have some little down marks that I didn't like the screen and all that stuff, but when you pull all that aside, man, this car should be a lighter version of the SS, so it should be moving up on the SS. We will have some runs coming with this versus a 1LE later on. Same mods. I think this car just has an intake over it, but man, we all know in the mod world, intakes don't do too much power at all. It's really just like a cosmetic mod. It improves it, don't get me wrong, but it's nothing crazy. Like I said, let's go ahead and get into these pulls, baby.